Hello everybody, this is my video of the motor control and this is a 3-phase motor control. This is my 24th of the video. So now I give you how to control the gate, use the 3-phase motor control. Thank you.
Right, now I design a forward reverse gate system. This is method 2. Now I using the EKTS software. Right, now I design a forward reverse gate system. This is the second method. Now I using a EKTS simulator. So I want some electrical components. First, now I design a control circuit. So I want a live wire and neutral. Now I take stop push button and take this point and rotate 180 degree and combine these two terminal, and I want a two-way button. Now I take this point and rotate 90 degree, and I want another two-way button. Now I take this point and rotate the 270 degree, and now I combine this two terminal like this, and this one to this one, and this one to this one. Right, now I want normally close contactor, normal close contact point. Now I rotate 9 degree and combines these terminal. Right, now I want normally open contact point. Now I take this point and rotate 9 degree and combines this terminal to this wire. Okay, now I take start push button and take this point and rotate 270 degree, and I want normally open contactor. Now take this point and rotate 9 degree. Now I combine this terminal to this point or this wire combined to this wire, and this point combined to this wire, and this point combined to this wire, and this switch, this point combined to this point, this wire. Right, okay, now this switch, this point combined to this line like this, and I want another normally close contact point. Now I take this point and rotate 90 degree, and this point combined to this point. Right, now I want to, there are two contactor, 1 2, and take this point and rotate 90 degree, and this point, this contact, take this point and rotate 90 degree. Now I want go to the design power circuit. So I want three-phase supply and normally open triple contact. So I want, there are two normal triple contact, and I want a gate system. Now I select this gate system and I take this point, this normally open triple contact 9 degree, and this is another triple contact, and take this point. and I want a 3-phase supply, and I take this point. Now I combine these terminals, easy to combine. Okay, now I combine this motor to the supply, right, like this. Okay, now I combine this terminal, this line. Okay, right, now I combine this line to this point, this line. Okay, now I combine this point, this line. Now you can see easy to how to draw in power supply. Please check this point carefully and draw line and combine this line like this, and this line combine this term, this line, and this point combine with this point. Okay, right, now I combine this line to this line, is a neutral. Okay, is a neutral point. Right, now I take this point, combine with this point. Okay, now why this point I combine to this point. Right, now I this point combine with this contactor terminal. And this point contact with this terminal. So okay, now I rename this some components and circuits. So this is the stop button. Okay, this one is switch 1, this one is switch 2, this one is switch 3. Right, this is K2 contactor, sorry, K1 contactor, this is K2 contactor. Right, now this is K2 contactor, normally closed position. This is the K1 contactor, normally closed positions. This is a K2 contactor, normally open terminals. This is a K1 contactor, normally open position, and this is a K1 contactor, normally open triple contact points. This is a K2 contactor, normally open triple contacts points. Right, now I rename this circuits diagram using that description is right. This is a control circuit. Right, this is a power circuit. Right, this is a gate system. Right, now I energize this diagram using this run button. Okay, now I push this switch. Now you can see this gate is rotate to this point. Now I use this switch. Okay, now you can see the gate is on this point, so we can easily to identify. Now I uh, rename this point open positions, the gate open position. This is gate close position. Right, now I energize this circuit diagram. Okay, now you can see this. Now gate is closed, now gate is open, now gate is closed, now gate is open. Right, right. So now I modify this circuit like this. Right, now I energize the circuit. Okay, you can see the gate is now is a closed condition. The more gate is now automatically open conditions. Okay, so you can see that is this is the previous. You can see the manual control. Now is gate is controlling automatically. Let's go to this switch. Okay, now is gate is closed. Now I push this button. Now is gate open. You can see this is a normally switch, but there are very important switches, S1 and S2. So you can use this switch in your garage. So you can use this switch in your door, in your wall, like near the wall door. You can see that's when you start your car, you can open this switch. You can use this switch to open the gate, and you can go with your car, and you can use this switch in near the gate, close this gate.